Hello, this is a recording to demonstrate the option of creating the form with the hyperlink and then sending this form with additional Docomotion form as email body and making any changes that are needed. So first of all, what I have done, I have created the form, which is the interactive form. Okay, and right now what we are going to do, we are going to press the generate document and generate the interactive form as a link. However, we will use this link in the second form, and what is needed to do is to disable actually triggering the mail automatically to the contact that is going to receive this form. This is this guy. So in order to do it, it's very simple. Just need to disable the workflow that comes with the Docomotion package, and I will show it afterwards. So the first thing that is needed to be done is to create the link. So we'll press the generate document and we'll create the interactive quote, select this form, and then we click generate. By the way, what you see right now can be actually done in the fully silent mode. So it's possible just to click the button that's called, that you may call as you wish, using the quick action and the process builder, and just to generate the form. Right now we've got this email, but as I said, I'll show afterwards the workflow how you can disable this email triggering. So right now we have this signature and we have this URL, which is client URL link, which was created for this form. So we may even press this form, and as you see, it's not signed. What you see right now when you press it is actually the form that we created for the customer. Update. You can make any changes here, and then you press submit. It will be transferred back to Salesforce as PDF and updating the Salesforce data. So right now, let's go back to the opportunity. And in the opportunity, what we are going to do, we are going to press again the generate document. And again, it's possible to create just a button that will trigger this without those pre-selections. And I select the second form, which is a quote mail body. And then I click generate. What you see right now is actually the Docomotion mail body. With our light editor, that's possible to make any changes to the form. And you see this link, which meets the criteria that the signature is actually not, that the form is not updated and not submitted back to Salesforce. And I can make any changes I want here. Okay. And do any personal greetings. Okay, if I want. Okay, and even making some additional changes if needed, right? Anything can be done here. Okay, right now I will send it. And this email was sent. I'm back to my opportunity. So right now, what's going to happen, I'm going to receive the email saying that actually, let's see, this is the email. This is the email with the link. Okay. And I can go as an end user, open this interactive form, right, and do any changes that I want. And sign if needed. If not needed, no need to sign. And even take some picture. Okay. And then I press submit. The PDF is generated and the data is back to Salesforce. Okay, so this is the process. Let's see what we've done with the second form of the mail body in order to make this happen. So let's go to this form. This is the form. Let me just make it bigger a little bit. So right here, first of all, when we define the data model, when you work with the signature object that actually records all the data submitted to Salesforce and manage when it was submitted and when it was done, this actual object is related to any main object with the connection of one-to-many. So in order to implement what we do, first step is to actually add those fields that we want in our logic into the data model. So what we want to do here is first of all to find signature object. Okay, so here it is, Doco signatures are, and here you have all the fields of the signature. So what I've did here, I've added free, and adding the data is very easy. Just press plus and add it. So I added the client URL, expired, since we don't want to show the links which are expired, and signed. We don't want to show the links that are signed. Okay, this is what I did here. And when I open the designer, what I did, I created the simple table, centered one. Okay, because here we do have all the options. Added the client URL, and the first thing that I did, I just make it really from the beginning. Okay, let me delete it. So I added this client URL, and then first thing that I need to do is to convert it to script tag in order to make it HTML hyperlink. So I press here script tag and then select the hyperlink, and then I press new, and in our logic editor I set the value that's behind this link to the data tag of the signature client URL. That's it. This is the first thing. And then I would like to create the specific logic saying, okay, I would like to have this very simple logic saying that if signed meaning that it was signed and submitted, or just submitted, no need to add the signature, the data was submitted, I would like to show only the signature URL links that the data was not submitted. So I press here, true. Okay, I don't want to show when the signed is true, all those signature records, because it can be more than one. One additional thing that you can do, you can add here additional expression saying, I don't also want to show all those links which are expired. And you can do it otherwise, saying instead of true false and then show row. Okay, so as you wish. So here this is my script, and that's it. I can save the form, and it will work. Again, you can automate some processes. So for example, if you go back to the opportunity screen, what you can do is to just click generate link interactive form. Okay, so I just click it. Okay, and the form, interactive form, will be created without sending the email, right? So it can be done automatically without going to the generation screen. It can be done very easily with our process builder automation options.